Hello, hello children, how are you? I hope all of you are safe and at home. Take care of your family and take care of yourself. We are meeting after a break. Yes, Corona vacation, isn't it? But today we'll start something for second year Materia Medica. Okay? Second BHMS Materia Medica. We are going to start a lecture. Calcarea carb. We are going to learn a drug which is called Calcarea carb. But before going to Calcarea carb, I would like to share few Calcarea group symptoms because uh, before going to any drug, you should know the general group symptoms of the drug so that you can easily spot the patient that into what group the patient lies. Got it? So now what are the drugs that come into Calcarea group? First, let us be clear with that. The name of the drugs which come into Calcarea group are Calcarea carb, Calcarea phos, Calcarea sulf, Calcarea silicata, Calcarea fluor, Calcarea ars. These are the few leading Calcarea group drugs. Now, every group drug has one representative drug. This representative drug is that drug which will tell that it has the maximum group symptoms of the drug. Got it? So, we are going to learn today Calcarea carb as the representative drug of the Calcarea group. The first mental symptom of Calcarea group. I am starting with the first mental symptom of Calcarea group. Okay. First mental symptom is what others will think about me. All Calcarea patients are worried what others are going to think about them. બીજા શું કહેશે? કોઈ શું કહેશે? કોઈ શું કહેશે? So they are worried about that. Okay. Every time, whatever activity they do, internally they are always worried. કે કોઈ શું કહેશે? આપણે આવું કરી, કોઈ શું કહેશે? હું આવું પહેરીશ, કોઈ શું કહેશે? બરાબર? હું આવું કરીશ, કોઈ શું કહેશે? So every time they are worried about what others will tell about them. And the other part is they always want that it should be a good opinion. Okay. They always want that it should be a good opinion. For example, I tell you a child. A teenage child, just a child who is just entering into puberty. तो वो लड़का क्या करता है या फिर वो लड़की क्या करता है? वो ड्रेसअप होती है, हेयर स्टाइल करती है, फिर बाद में बोलती है अच्छी लग रही हूँ ना, अच्छी लग रही हूँ ना, बराबर? यानी સારું લાગે છે ને, સારું લાગે છે ને. So they are worried what others think about them and they always want a good opinion. Second mental symptom of Calcarea group is sensitive to criticism. Now what do we understand by this word? The meaning of the word sensitive to criticism means કોઈ એની નિંદા કરે કે કોઈ એને કશું કહે તો એને ગમે નહીં. Sensitive to criticism. Okay, the meaning is this. એ લોકોને કોઈએ કશું કહેવાનું નહીં. Many times patients come to you and they tell the mother's complaint. એને કશું કહેવાનું નહીં, એને ગમે જ નહીં. Got it? This is a Calcarea quality. Yes. They are worried. Why? Because they are worried what others think. And then when someone criticizes them or when someone tells કે કોઈક એનો ઓપિનિયન આપે છે એના માટે તો એને એમ થાય કે જો મારા માટે આવું બોલી, મને બધાની વચ્ચે આવું કહી દીધું, બરાબર? બધાની વચ્ચે મારી ટીકા કરી નાખી. So they are very much sensitive to criticism. This becomes a second symptom. કોઈ કશું કહી જાય તો ગમે નહીં. This is Calcarea group symptom number 2. I repeat, first, what others will think about them. Second, sensitive to criticism. Third mental symptom, lack of self-confidence. They are never ready to take any challenges. Okay. They are the people who lack self-confidence. Naturally, as I told you, તમે રિવર્સમાં જાઓ, બીજા શું કહેશે એ વિચાર્યા કરે તે વ્યક્તિ કેવું હોય જેને પોતાના પર ભરોસો નહીં હોય તે. હે ને, બધાને પૂછીને જ કરે કામ. કેમ? કારણ કે એને પોતાના ઉપર ડાઉટ છે. સો ઓલ કેલ્કેરિયા પેશન્ટ્સ they generally lack in confidence. They are not confident. They are not ready to take challenges. They are not ready for any change. They are not ready to go outside anywhere. They are the people who always remain at home. They are not like tuberculinum, phosphorus, who are travelers and, enterprising, who want to go out all the time. Calcareas, all calcareas, basically they are known as homemakers. All calcareas are homemakers. They are lack self-confidence. They never go out of any typical, and I would say they never go out of their homes. They never come out of their comfort zone. Got it? They basically lack self-confidence. They cannot do anything on their own. They always want company, and they always take the opinion of others whenever they do any act or whenever they execute an act. So I'm repeating, બીજાને પૂછીને કરે. This is again calcaria. Okay. Fourth mental symptom about calcaria. Oh, sorry. I would like to go back. Lack of self-confidence is also extended to an understanding that they always want company also. They can never remain alone. Got it? Why? Because the person doesn't have confidence on his own self. So what he does, he always wants someone else with him or her. So they always want company. Next mental symptom. The fourth mental symptom of calcaria is dependency. They always want support. Patients are dependent on their parents, on their spouse, on their friends, and dash. They are always dependent on other people. They always want company to execute their act. So what I mean to say is, they are dependent people. They always want someone else by their side. They always want a mother or a friend or a parent or a sister or any companion to accompany them anywhere. કેલ્કેરિયા જે હોય ને, બેઝિકલી એકલું કશે નહીં જાય. બીજી બધી ડ્રગ્સ એવી હોય જે લોકો ઇન્ડિપેન્ડન્ટ છે ને એ લોકોને એકલા જ રહેવાનું ગમે. પણ કેલ્કેરિયા પેશન્ટ્સ, they always want company. I will give you one example. A college going boy, a college going girl, she always accompanies a mother or a friend or a relative or someone to your clinic. Why? She is always accompanied by someone. She will never come directly to you. She will never come alone, or he will never come alone. बराबर? अभी कॉलेज में हो, इतने बड़े हो, तुमको अपने बारे में सब कुछ पता है, तुमको डॉक्टर पूछेंगे वो आप बता सकते हो, मगर फिर भी वो मम्मी को लेके आएगा, मगर फिर भी वो पापा को लेके आएगा. बराबर? सो अ कैल्केरिया पेशेंट ऑलवेज वॉन्ट्स कंपनी, दे ऑलवेज वॉन्ट सपोर्ट, एंड दे आर ऑलवेज डिपेंडेंट ऑन समवन. They are always dependent on someone to execute their own act. So this becomes the fourth mental symptom. Again, let us revise the four symptoms again. I am saying again and again. First symptom, what others will think about them. Second symptom, sensitive to criticism. Third symptom, lack of self-confidence and not ready to take any challenges. Fourth mental symptom, dependent and want of support. Okay, so now in my next video I'm continuing this lecture.